Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to do a review on the newest Zizzo folding bike. This bike is called the Forte. It's a heavy duty folding bike with a 300-pound weight limit. And we're going to check it out. We're going to get it out of the box. Haven't even cut all the easy ties or foam off of it yet. We're going to see what we think, and we're going to probably take it for a short ride. It's pretty cold here today, so the ride will definitely be a short one. But we're going to get this bike out and see what we think. So grab you some popcorn and something to drink and sit back, and we're going to get this out and check it out. So stay tuned. One thing I did notice right off the bat, this bike is not inside a box, inside another box like for other models. I don't know if all the Fortes will be that way or not. So it is not double boxed like the other bikes. I'll try to stay out of the camera so you can see me doing this. Once we get started doing this, I might speed up the camera a little bit so you don't have to sit through all this. Lock it, kickstand down, this color is called Coral. I believe they also have it in green. Looks like it belongs on the beach. They have to get a knife to cut that loose. Comes very well protected. Everything that could possibly get scratched is covered. Everything comes off very easy. They have to get a knife. I don't know. I'm going to turn this around here in a minute so you can see the other side of the bike. probably ride it without even airing out the tires, but we'll put some air in the tires just for safety's sake. We don't want to use a pinch of tube right after that. Just about, I don't know how long this is taking, but just about to the point where we can ride. So it wasn't bad at all. Even all the quick releases are good, pretty good adjustment already. Frame coupler's tight. Put a water bottle right there, water bottle cage rather. Got a little bit more cardboard on this side. Then I'll turn the bike around so you can see the other side. Nice folding pedals, they look heavy duty. You'll notice the only thing I used was a pair of wire cutters, just to cut the easy ties. So, probably been staring at this side long enough. Get this up right here. Set this right here. It's a good looking bike. It's a nice touch there, the red dot on the eye. Yeah. So what do you think? I like it. It's got fenders, rear rack. Before we're done, we'll try some different bags on there and see how they fit. So this next thing to do is get it off this table, and we'll put it on a bike stand. And we'll see how the wheels roll, see how close the gearing is to being in adjustment, and it's ready to ride. I don't see too much difference between this and the other one as far as the frame design. Looks to be about the same, but we'll also put it on scale, see what it weighs. If you know anything about engineering at all, anytime you put more spokes on wheels, they're stronger, and the smaller the wheel is, makes them even stronger. So I believe this has 36 spokes, and so you should be able to really carry some weight on this, whether it's pulling a trailer, going on a tour, anything like that. It's going to be easy to do on this bike. So let's put it on a stand and check out the wheels and the gearing and the brakes, and we'll go from there. We're going to put some air in the tires. On the sidewall it says up to 65 pounds. So we'll probably put 55 in them. They do have air in them now, but They need a little bit more. It's 45. A little air in the back one. Feels like it might have 20 or 25, 30 pounds in it. Good enough for a ride around. See how it rides. Okay, we're going to check out shifting. See how it goes in between the gears. See if it needs any adjustment. We're already in the small cog up here. Just turning it one click at a time. Two clicks. Spins good and true. Shifts perfect. In case anyone is wondering, these are Shimano components. So you can get these if you would happen to bust a cog or a cassette, break a chain or anything. You can get those at the local bike store. It's not something that's proprietary. This plastic ring here, you see it wobbles. That's just a safety ring. Keep the chain from going off into the spokes. Some bikes, race bikes, they don't even have those on there. So that's what you see that plastic ring in there. Brakes are in adjustment. They don't need anything. They work great. Bike's ready to go. I'm pretty well pleased with it. I'm going to go grab one of my touring bags and see how it fits on there. And we're going to go from there. Alright, sorry for the delay, I'm back. This is the Topeak strap mount MTS saddlebag. Has panniers that fold out. They make these that clip in, and they make them that have Velcro on the bottom. And these that have the Velcro on the bottom, that will strap right on there. That fit like a charm. These panniers, zip those, they'll fold right out. They'll be ready to take the trip. It's a nice bag if you can find one. Found this one on Amazon. But, you just strap about any bag you want on there. If you decide to get a separate pannier for the side, be sure that you watch for heel strike, because your feet can strike the front side of that bag So you just want to get them and mount them, you know, as far back as possible so you don't hit them with your heels. Like that bag I showed you, that toe peak bag, fit on there great. I can haul several days worth of clothes, and it's insulated cooler. Worked pretty good. So I'm going to take this off the rack, take it for a spin, and we're going to see how it rides. It's ready to go. I like it. I don't know if I like it better than my Liberté. I like it an awful lot, but I'm liking this one too. And I don't know if this one might end up with more miles than the Liberté, especially with the fenders. I can go anywhere, do anything, and we'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, put a message down below, and try to answer any questions you have, and we will see you again. I did notice when I was adjusting the seat before I went to take a test ride, this pedal is about to fall off. So all you have to do, if you've got a 15 millimeter wrench or pedal wrench, just twist in there. One of them is backwards, one of them is right, regular threaded. This one on the left side is backward threaded, so I'll have to tighten that with the pedal wrench. So it's probably just an oversight when they were doing the assembly on the spoke or on the bike. You can get a pedal wrench and I'll quickly adjust that. This is what a pedal wrench looks like. This happened to be Park pedal wrenches that are heavy duty one, and I just put that on there. They're always 15 millimeter no matter what pedal you have. Just give that a little snug, and we're good to go. Let's see what kind of weight we can get. We are 29.13. That is ready to go weight. 29.13. In summary, I think anyone that's looking for a heavy duty bike, looking for a folding bike, I think this is your best choice. Bike's well made. All of the Zizzo models, they've been really well built. The one thing that I did notice just before I rode the bike was that one pedal was about to fall off. That's just a fluke, you know, when they were assembling the bike. Maybe they stopped to smoke a cigarette, I don't know. But that one pedal was about to fall off, so I just finished threading it in and snugged it up. And so, you know, just check little things like that before you ride it. And pretty much it as far as faults, you know. Didn't see anything else wrong with the bike. I wouldn't hesitate to get on and ride anywhere as long as I had a extra patch kit and tire pump with me. Quality's there. They come out of the box. Just put some air in the tires and you're ready to go. So I think overall it's going to be a great bike. The coral color is different. I like it. So we're going to put it through its paces, and I may pull my trailer with it. Might take it on a trip in warm weather, and we'll get back with you and see how it does. If you've got any questions or anything, leave a question. I'll try to get you an answer. Or if I'm missing something you want me to check on, let me know and I'll check on it. And so we will see you on the next video.